Hello friends, today I am going to show you Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and I know you well know by seeing the box. So it's a big box, and as you can see I'm unable to fit the box in the camera focus area. If I would have to do that, then I would have ripped the space here and I have to make it big, higher and all, but you won't be getting the good close-up of every unboxing that I make. So it is real unboxing. So why wait, my friends, let's unbox this device. So this is the 8 GB 128 GB model. As you can see, I've already opened the seal here. It is an Indian SIM card only, and as I have mentioned you earlier, this is the 128 gig model, and we are getting Quad HD Plus dynamic AMOLED display. I don't know why they have changed the name, because on the earlier models, as I had known from Samsung history, as you can see here, just a moment, let me focus that part. So as you can see here, it is a full rectangle 16.35 cm display, and it has 15.9 cm with the rounded corners, and it is a Quad HD Plus dynamic AMOLED display. So Samsung is this year calling it as a dynamic display rather than calling it as a normal AMOLED display or Super AMOLED. In the previous versions, they were calling it as an infinite display. So now it has got super speed dual pixel 12 megapixel optical image stabilizations with f1.5 2.4 aperture, the mechanical one that we used to get on our Note 9, and ultra wide 16 megapixel 5 2.2 and 12 megapixel OIS 2.4. The phone has three rear cameras. The main camera is the 12 megapixel one, and there is ultra wide shooter and another one 12 megapixel too. All are optical image stabilized. I think the ultra wide doesn't support optical image stabilization. On the front, we get a dual pixel 10 megapixel f1.9 plus 8 megapixel f2.2. So they have decreased the aperture here on the front camera, as well as the camera's pixels has been increased, but the aperture has been reduced. We are getting ultrasonic fingerprint sensor on the display itself. It is 128 GB with 8 gigs of RAM, stereo speakers as we were used to get on the Note 9. Earphones by AKG, it's a old thing. This is a new thing on Samsung, that is the wireless power share with wireless charging pad required. Okay, IP68 water industries are all the same. So let's open this up. So the seal is already broken. So, wow, it looks real nice. Take this out. So this is the new two cameras. One is 8 megapixel and one is 12 megapixel, sorry, 10 megapixel. And Samsung has already installed screen protector here. As you can see, you are getting here, as you can see here, there is a screen protector here totally on the screen on top of here. But if you want to use a tempered glass, then I would suggest you to go for the Whitestone dome glass, because they support the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that comes up here. Other fingerprint sensors, like other tempered glasses or other screen protector, I don't think they support. Till now I have experience with a Whitestone dome glass, and they support nice. And wait for my future video. I will be making a video on applying the Whitestone dome glass on this device too. So this is the new device. As you can see, I haven't opened the pack flip also here, so why wait, we will open everything up. First we need to boot it up. So it's getting booted up. So while it is getting booted up, let's open other things what we get inside the box. So as usual, we get the quick charger here. So it has got 9 volt as well as 5 volt. As you can see here, you can use it as a normal charger, you can also use it as a fast charging. that has you have the option inside the phone here. We get the USB-C to USB-A adapter. This is mostly, you can use it as a OTG device, or you can also use it as your first boot data transfer tool. So that's why Samsung has provided this, and they are providing it, I think, since from Samsung Galaxy S8. So here we get there are some quick tools in here. They have changed some of the boxing style here. Let me test. So we get okay, it comes off like this. So we get the usual USB to USB-C cable, as you can see here. This is the normal USB data cable, charging cable, as you can see, and we get the AKG earbuds. Need to open this up like this, I think. Okay, I don't know, these are very tight, they are not coming off. Let me try this. So here we go. You need to press this slightly and pull this, and it will come off. So as you can see, this is in white color. So this time AKG earbuds are coming in white. Earlier they were in black, but I don't know about other packaging. I haven't checked it out. I cannot tell you that S10 we are getting white everything. Might be because of this phone is white. They are providing the white things, so might be that. So that's the thing. So this is all we get inside the box. There is nothing else here. I think we are missing one thing. Here is the box. So my friends, you can turn it back and you can see there is a case here. So this case, I think as usual from Note 9 we are getting phone cases nowadays. So yes, that's true. We have got our user guide, quick start guide, some regional love guide, how to transfer content with using the smart switch, and we also get the warranty card for India. And rest assured, the last one is our, okay, it's nicely done. Last one is our case. You need to put this case here, and this time Samsung has given the PC hard material case. As you can see here, this bit hard as compared to the Note 9. They were giving only the TPU case. I don't like that much. This is very nice, I love it. So the fit and finish with this case will be also really nice. Let me put this up. Yes, it's totally transparent and really nice. It's good. So why wait, let's start it up. So without the SIM will go. Skip this for now. Turn off Wi-Fi. Okay, here we go. Let me skip this part, my friends. But okay, get started recommends. Okay, we'll skip everything. This is what the difference between Samsung and Google devices. Wow. They have added this startup tone again with the Samsung new device. So these are the base apps that you get inside a new phone like this. There are not more of bloatwares here like the phone message and my files. Here we get Google's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apps, and Microsoft we get around okay, it's only 3 apps, but LinkedIn we don't like that. So these are the apps that we get inside the phone. Let me take a picture here, like the quality of picture, we'll check it out. We take one picture here, another on wide angle. Okay, so here we go, my friends. This photo has been taken as 2x. So as you can see, the details are really nice here. This is a good amount of light here, so it looks like that. This is a normal 1x, and this one is our wide angle camera, ultra wide angle camera. So as you can see, it takes picture really nice. I love the wide angle camera, but there are some problems here. But after the update, I think this doesn't have the latest software. After you update it to the latest version, you will be having a good software experience here. So let me check with the software build. It's Android 9, as you can see here. It's Android 9 here, One UI 1.1, and the security patch is 1st February 2009. So that's the issue. You need to update this software to the latest version, then you will be getting a good picture quality that I was thinking I'm missing. So that's a good thing, my friends. So this is Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So as always, Samsung has kept his promise, and we are getting the headphone jack here, including the USB-C and dual speaker. One is bottom firing and one is top firing here. And this is a new phone with full display with the camera inside the display, as you can see here. And we are missing the notification LED here, so there is no notification LED anymore. And some new features would be wireless power share. As you can see, I will click this up. Okay, ready to charge. Put the center of your phone back to back with another device. So what we will do after we do this, I will take my Pixel device and I'll put it here. As you can see, it started wireless charging, so it's charging my device. So in this way you can share your power. If you have a lot of juice in your phone and you would like to share your charge with someone, so as you can see, it's still charging here. And when I remove it, it also, after we remove it, it gets automatically disengaged. So like we'll see here. So as you can see, the wireless power share is already been turned off automatically. So this is a new feature that we get here. Rest, Dolby Atmos and all, you have seen my Note 9 video, and you haven't been getting a difference. So the base model, we get 8 GB now. The top model is going on around 12 GB of RAM with 1 TB of storage. That's a very huge one, and it costs a really big amount. But the important thing is that in 12 gig model, you will get a ceramic back. If you love a ceramic back on your phone, then you can go for that. But for my suggestion, if I say, then 8 gigs 128 GB is more than enough, because we are also getting an option to add a memory card here. What more we need, my friends? If you get higher storage of phone, the problem is that when you try to back it up, like you want to back up your data to a phone, it takes really lot of time. Like it's really slow. So this is a new type of always on display that I haven't got on my Note 9. So this is a good thing, and the wallpaper is really nice. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. This was the video for unboxing and first impression for the Galaxy S10 Plus. It's very late and everything, but I would like to do late videos because I wanted to know what actually people think about this device, and give you a perfect advice whether to go for this device or not. So do subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, please feel free to comment section below, and I will be very happy to answer you out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.